think it's kind of weird that it's even a concern today that, as women, we have to worry about our gender and how that could affect our mobility or opportunities. Here at Directive, that's the one thing I'm not concerned about. The great thing about Directive is its ability to recognize the different gifts and talents that the individual brings to the company. It's a good feeling just to feel valued in a place like this.
Here at Directive, we emphasize empathy, not only with our clients, but with each other. Everyone feels like we're more involved and we're all working together to achieve outcomes.
I'm not put in a box. I'm encouraged to explore and grow my potential and follow my passions.
Everyone at Directive inspires me to be the best version of myself every day.
At Directive, I feel accepted and recognized for the woman I am.
At Directive, we pay people based on their effort, not on their gender.
No matter who you are, at Directive, we push and encourage each other to go beyond our limits.
At Directive, my team supports me through workplace challenges every day.
It's extremely powerful for us as women to come into a male-dominated field and emerge successful.
The women at Directive are not afraid to say how they feel and really take a stand on what they believe in. And Directive really encourages it and provides us a safe place to do so.
We have some of the most talented women in a position of leadership here at Directive, and I truly believe we wouldn't have experienced the growth that we have these past 4 years without their guidance and expertise.
It's an exciting time to be a woman in the marketing industry right now, and it excites me even more to be a part of it here with Directive.